Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, open Settings and click on Connected Devices. Now select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then go back and tap on Add Service. Following that, just install the best service for you. In my case, HP1. When it's ready, click on the back button twice to access the same settings. And click on your new service. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!